To start with, we first have to open the new file as a part file. I will suggest you have a mouse with you. It makes it easier to navigate and changing view orientation. Once the part file is opened, you can see different features like extruded base, revolved base, etc. The tree on the left will show different actions performed in hierarchy. To start, we will select Sketch and click on Sketch on the leftmost corner, and then click on the plane we want to sketch on. I am using front plane here. There are multiple sketch tools we can use. As you can see, line, circle, and all. Let's start with the line. Click on the line and you can see the cursor has turned to a pencil. We have an amazing features that whenever you go close to origin, the pencil will start drawing from there, and if it's close to axis, it will start from there. We also have references of axis and 45 degrees in every quadrant, as you saw just. Once the line is drawn, the next line gets previous line's references, like collinear and verticals as yellow lines, making things even more easy. We can also get references of different points like midpoints of lines drawn, etc. There are other types of lines as well, like center line, midpoint line. Similarly, we have different types of rectangles. These are selected according to requirements. I have majorly used center point and corner rectangles only. Here I am showing center point rectangle. Next up, we have a circle. We can use references for making circles as well, like its center and circumference point can be set here, as you can see. Let me just draw it like this only. For an arc, I mostly use 3-point arc. It requires 2 endpoints and 1 point, mainly defining direction and size of the arc. Yes. We also have tools like straight slot and polygons. It is the polygon, and left to it is a straight slot. Next up, let me show the spline. I generally use the right angle spline because it gives you more control and flexibility. Yeah. Next up, let me show you the fillet tool. Here we had type the radius of the fillet and then select the corners we want to have fillet on. Sometimes, yeah. So here we have a trim entities tool as well. You can just click on an empty space and drag, and it will cut the lines which are in its path. It is a very useful tool we generally use. So let me fillet these corners as well. Sometimes we encounter some errors, like here you can see hint has been given what the error is. Sometimes it's solved easily, sometimes we need to see what's happening and change our approach a little. Here it was solved easily by forming different groups of fillet. Let me show you. As you can see on the screen, that particular corner was not filleted. Now the other group of fillet is created and it's working fine. Yeah. While practicing, you may face some issues, and this is the only way to grow. Scrolling the mouse will allow you to zoom in and zoom out at a region. So yes. So there are some other features as well, mirror entities, linear sketch pattern, and others. So let me exit the sketch by clicking here in the right corner. So yeah, our first sketch has been completed. Now let's add the extruded base. Here we can select how much we want to extrude the sketch, or we can say what thickness we want the part to have. Let's make it 10 mm. Clicking and holding the mouse wheel and moving mouse will make the part rotate, and we can have view from different angles. Scrolling the mouse wheel will result in change in zoom of the part. There are some built-in features as well, which you can use to fit the image and all. Next, we will see extruded cut. Click on extruded cut, and it is asking a plane to sketch on. And let's select one of the faces of part itself. Now, last time straight slot and polygon left to make. Let's draw them now. Here the polygons, number of sides can be changed and live changes can be seen. Let me make 7 sides for now. So once you exit the sketch, extruded cut feature settings comes up. You can set the depth of cut using blind. You can see it's 10 mm. There are other ways to set the cut depth like through all, both, up to surface. You can explore these as well. Let me select blind here. Let's go for 5 mm. Okay, it's too much. 2 mm is better. Okay, good. Now next up, let me show you the sketching using text. Here I am entering. Okay, selecting the plane, new sketch. Okay, just select this tool, and here I am entering Jagadaku, known as the Robin Hood of Punjab. So here you have got all the required settings: bold, italics, mirror text, and font size. Let's set these settings at something that looks good inside straight slot. Let me change the font size for now. Change 2 points. Let me try 22. It's too big, right? Yeah. By left clicking anywhere, you can change the position of the text. Wherever you will click, the lower point of the J will be shifted to there, and all text will be shifted accordingly. Let me change the size to 14. Yeah, it's too small. Yeah, it's too small. Let me increase it a bit. Yeah, 18 looks fine. 18 looks fine, right? Let me position it a bit. Yeah. By holding the corner corner point or clicking on the text, you can drag the text anywhere you want. You can put some constraints as well, like vertical or horizontal constraints. As you can see, I am putting vertical. Okay, it got too much in the right. Let me delete it and just place it manually. So yeah, yeah, it looks good. It looks good to me. Yeah. Okay, let's exit it. Next up, let's extrude the text. You can look around by holding mouse scroll wheel and moving the mouse. As you can see, the text is like floating in the air and not connected to the surface. This happened because we selected the upper face for sketching. We can change the sketch plane by right-clicking on the sketch here, and let me just show you. Right-click on sketch and select this tool, edit sketch plane. Next up, just select the inside face of the straight slot and click on take off. Yeah, or you can press escape key as well, and boom, it worked out. Yeah. Next up, we have a fillet for part as well, and many other features, among which most frequently used are revolved base, swept base, revolved cut, swept cut, mirror, linear pattern, and circular pattern, plus some of the referencing features which we will discuss in some other video. That's all from my side. Let's save the part, and yeah, thank you.